Time, the silent river that flows ceaselessly, shaping our lives in ways we often fail to comprehend. Welcome to the Murmur of Tales. Today, we embark on a journey to understand the value of time. Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a wise king. This king, known for his wisdom and fairness, had one principle he held above all others. He valued time more than gold or jewels. He believed that time was the most precious resource one could possess. Unlike wealth or power, time, once lost, could never be regained. The king's day was meticulously planned. He rose with the sun, dedicating his mornings to the welfare of his people, his afternoons to the matters of the state, and his evenings to personal reflection and growth. His kingdom flourished, roads were built, trade prospered, and the people were happy, all because their king understood the true value of time. He taught his subjects to respect time, to use it wisely, and to never waste a moment. One day, the king gathered his people and said, "Time is the canvas on which we paint our lives. Every moment is a brushstroke that contributes to the masterpiece of our existence. Use your time well, or it is the essence of life itself." Fast forward to today. How often do we find ourselves rushing through life, always in a hurry, yet constantly feeling that we don't have enough time? The lessons from the wise king's story are more relevant than ever. We, too, can create a flourishing life by valuing and managing our time wisely. Reflect on this. How do you spend your days? Are you using your time to build a life of meaning and purpose, or are you letting it slip away unnoticed? Just as the wise king taught his people, we must learn to respect and cherish each moment. Take a moment to evaluate your daily routines. What can you change to make better use of your time? Perhaps it's dedicating more time to loved ones, or pursuing that passion you've always put off, or even just taking a moment each day to reflect and be grateful. As we conclude this episode, remember the wise king's words: time is the essence of life. Make every moment count. Join us next time on the Murmur of Tales as we delve deeper into the stories that shape our understanding of this invaluable resource. Until then, cherish your time and live your story well.